Made it in about 10 minutes. And we're puking pretty good. Okay, so the trans still has a slight slip. It kind of is confused, doesn't know what to do, doesn't know what gear it wants to be in. Okay, and it's absolutely puking trans fluid. Yes, I understand that's a huge problem. All right, I'm moving this box around twice. So in my box, I have numero uno, Pennzoil, high mileage formula transmission stop slip leak repair. Numero two, Lucas transmission fix, stop slip. Third on the list, Seafoam Hydra Trans Tune. Now I put this in my POWERSTROKE, my good truck, my nice truck. So I was just gonna slam it all in at once, all of this. 1, 2, 3, one after another. But what I think I'm gonna do now, since I physically was able to drive it to the shop, I didn't think I was gonna be able to drive it to the shop. This thing was been abandoned for months. Batteries were dead, it didn't want to start. I used some starting fluid, did a weird backfire when it started, probably split a piston in half, I don't know. By the way, I'm still trying to hit 1 million subscribers by the end of the week, so hit that subscribe button and let's make it happen. We'll go down in the Guinness Book of World Records if we could do that, okay? Hit the subscribe button, do it. Okay, so anyways, I don't know, should we do stop slip first, then attack the leak? Should we leak repair first, second, or third? There's a Panther. Black Panther rolling through. Now here's the thing. Eliminates slipping, repairs hard shifting, stops fluid loss. If this stops fluid loss, this is the ultimate test here because it's like, woo, dumping out. If this stuff stops fluid loss, Mr. Rislon is gonna be a millionaire. He's probably already a millionaire, I mean billionaire. Alright guys, so here's the conclusion. We're kind of at one of them points like in that movie Ricky Bobby, you know, everyone's seen that, where they, the dad fills up those 3 buckets of water and throws them on him. It's like, where did NASCAR begin? You know, whatever he says, I don't know. He's like sleeping on a lawn chair or a pole chair thing. And he answers the question right on the 2nd bucket, but he still throws the 3rd bucket on him. And he goes, what'd you throw that 3rd bucket on me for? Or why'd you throw another bucket on me? He goes, well, I filled up 3. So first thing we did was that slip stuff, okay? So that slip stuff, it doesn't slip, really. It kind of slips, but it still leaks like crazy. And I already bought these 2 other ones too. I bought them all 3 together. I bought 3, so we got to put these in. Seafoam Hydra Trans in a can, or Trans Tune, whatever it's called. That stuff's like water. That's watery. Oh yeah, that's real thick. We don't want to litter. Oh, it's like glue. That stuff's really thick. You would think that this is gonna do something. Oh, I didn't even see the sticker. Stops leaks and hard shifting. it held. It's pretty responsive, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's... I mean, I don't have any sign of slippage. Something's like whistling, has a high pitch like ringing. Oh, it's dripping big time. Right there. I think we lost power steering now. Oh my God. Other than the power steering is about 80% gone, it's driving pretty strong. And guys, I am 100% being honest. This truck has been abandoned for months by me. Obviously, I abandoned it because there was 0% forward movement whenever I was in drive. Yeah, I don't know if it was too cold and the fluid was just... Oh, like I can't even turn in here. Oh, I can't even turn the wheel. Yeah, we got something wrong with the power steering. Yeah, it was very, very bad. It was 100% undrivable. I couldn't even go down the road. And now we have full regular movement, but now we got a power steering problem. So let's check that out. Alrighty, guys. So all jokes aside, all being funny aside, the truck does drive normally. Now, yes, I know that this isn't like a legitimate fix to your slipping transmission. I wanted to know what happened, or what would happen if you were to put all of those in there at once. So we put in 3 different types of stop slip transmission stuff from like Advanced Auto or wherever you get your local auto part lubricants. I'm gonna make a statement here, public statement. I'm gonna clip this out. It's gonna go on Instagram too. PEDs are gonna make a comeback. They're gonna be a big, huge deal. Oh yeah, I got my glasses on. You guys like my glasses? Professional. PEDs are gonna be all the rage. Okay, what the heck's a PED? PED, pre-emission diesel. With everything going on in the whatever right now, PEDs are gonna be the thing to have. I just want to throw that out there. So if I were you, I would go on Marketplace and buy up your pre-emission diesels. People are crazy though. You find an older Cummins with like even like 160,000 miles that's clean, they want like 30 grand for it. I'm not paying 30 grand for that, bro. No way. No way. There's chickens on the road. I'm gonna run them over. All right, that's it. Hit that subscribe button. I'm out. Peace.